Internet is the most important tool of our times. Young people are achieving awesomeness through using it. During COVID, it has shown how important it is for our livelihood. But online safety still remains a major concern. IGPP, Social Media Matters, and YOLO have come together to find out the ground reality about what is happening in India, how are young people using the internet, what is their relationship with their parents and technology. So, without wasting much time, I'll let the experts do the talking.
On cyber vulnerabilities among the youth in India has found some very interesting facts about the youth behavior. It is found that 17% of the respondents have suffered from online hacking. 12% have reported that they have faced hacking of their password, while 7% are saying that they have faced some kind of financial frauds. We can also see that more than 25% of respondents have faced online abuses. Now, these issues about the online behavior, abuses, frauds has become one of the major problems among the youth in India.
इस रिसर्च में कुछ ऐसे चौंका देने वाले आंकड़े हमारे सामने आए हैं और कुछ ऐसे नतीजे हमारे सामने आए हैं जिसमें इस वीडियो में मैं आगे उसके बारे में बात करूंगा, लेकिन उससे पहले एक बहुत जरूरी बात जो मैं आपको बता देना चाहता हूं कि ऑनलाइन सेफ्टी एक ऐसा विषय नहीं रह गया है जिसे आप प्राथमिकता ना दें। एक ऑनलाइन सेफ्टी का ट्रेनर होने के नाते और अपने 5 साल के अनुभव को देखते हुए एक बात मैं आपको स्पष्ट तौर पर बता देना चाहता हूं कि ऑनलाइन सेफ्टी एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या बन चुका है। इस रिसर्च के आंकड़े साफ तौर पर हमें यह दर्शाते हैं कि इंटरनेट घर घर तक तो पहुंच रहा है और खासकर इस कोविड के समय में इंटरनेट का इस्तेमाल बहुत तेजी से बढ़ा है। एक सबसे अहम बात कि इंटरनेट का इस्तेमाल तो हो रहा है, लेकिन क्या हम उसका सुरक्षित तरीके से इस्तेमाल कर पा रहे हैं?
We found that a sizable section of this age group have been sharing information in these social media platforms which were really sensitive information and which they should not otherwise share it. And in doing so, they create an atmosphere whereby they become very vulnerable to various kind of threats, unforeseeable threats, and in the context where things like cyber vulnerability is increasing, it really becomes alarming. At the same time, we would like to draw your attention to the fact that certain respondents of this study expressed that they have been sharing information like date of birth, their personalized photographs, personalized information, even family matters, and have been discussing this with persons whom they do not know personally. So this is really very threatening, very alarming.
The young population does not want their parents to know what they are doing online. Our survey has found that almost 50% have said that they hide their behavior, online behavior, from their parents. And almost 25% have said that if their parents get to know what they are doing, they would change their behavior. We have also found that the young people are quite private in their internet use. Most of the people minimize their browser when they see their parents. Now, why it is happening and what are the major issues? Our reports dealt with it.
अब अगर हम रिसर्च में सामने आए आंकड़ों की बात करें तो 1/4 लोग ऑनलाइन अब्यूज का सामना करते हैं, जिसमें फिजिकल वायलेंस, जान से मारने और रेप तक की धमकियां शामिल हैं। दूसरी बात, हैकिंग और ऑनलाइन फ्रॉड, जिसमें फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड सबसे ज़्यादा शामिल है, ये एक आम बात बन चुकी है। व्हाट्सएप का इस्तेमाल सबसे ज़्यादा होते हुए भी 34% लोगों ने इस बात को स्वीकारा कि उन्हें इसके बारे में कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं है कि वे व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर भी अपनी शिकायत दर्ज कर सकते हैं। अधिकतर लोगों ने इस बात को स्वीकार किया कि वो इस वजह से अपनी शिकायत दर्ज नहीं करवा सकते क्योंकि उन्हें इसके बारे में कोई अंदाजा नहीं है कि वो प्लेटफॉर्म का इस्तेमाल करते हुए कहां पर अपनी शिकायत को दर्ज करा सकते हैं, और यही एक सबसे बड़ा कारण बताया गया शिकायत ना दर्ज करवाने का।
Another thing that we found is the predominance of watching pornographic content over the internet. Sizable section of this age group accepted that they have been watching. Some of them even accept they have been paying for this. Now, you might know that payment gateways of these pornographic websites are very shady. They may create various problems to your bank accounts, and they may share various information related to your bank accounts to different places, to different persons. At the same time, watching porn in India, cyber porn in India is illegal. At the same time, watching this kind of watching contents of this sort may create psychological impact at this impressionable age, and that becomes aggravated, especially in the context since no systemic gender education, sex education are there in place in our country.
Our youth is averse to parental supervision on internet. The surveys found that a big chunk of the population would change their behavior if their parents are monitoring. Now, this is one of the most serious things which we have found, particularly in these times of COVID, when there is a lot happening on the internet, online classes, hobbies, meeting friends, everything is happening around. Now, what are our youth and young children are doing on the internet is a big question for every parent. Our surveys found that almost 25% of the youth have said that they would not like their parents to know what are they doing online.
एक जो सबसे हैरान कर देने वाली बात हमारे इस रिसर्च सैंपल से निकल कर आई वो ये कि 1/4 लोगों ने इस बात को स्वीकारा कि अगर उनके माता पिता भी सेम प्लेटफॉर्म पर आ जाते हैं तो वो अपना ऑनलाइन बिहेवियर बदल देंगे। दूसरा, ऑलमोस्ट 30% से भी ज्यादा लोगों ने इस बात के लिए एडमिट किया कि वो लोग अपने पर्सनल मैटर्स को ऑनलाइन डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, जो कि सबसे ज्यादा हैरान कर देने वाली बात थी।
That almost 50% of the underage young internet users do not have any parental oversight over their online behavior. Now, this is a very significant question for parents and children both. That what the youth is doing online has to be known by the parents, because what do they divulge in, what kind of information they share, what kind of behavior they are involved in should be under the watch of the parents.
A sizable section of these respondents told us that they think that their parents trust their cyber behavior. At the same time, they are saying that they hide their cyber behavior from their parents. They are also saying they either watch pornographic content or they pay for it, or certain things of things. Now the point is, so this brings us to conclude that there are lots of things happening outside the purview, outside the knowledge of the parents that these teens are doing. Now this brings us to conclude that there is really a point where as a society we must intervene, and this kind of intervention can only be done by raising the awareness, and raising the awareness of all parts of the society, from the students to the teachers to the parents to everybody. So these are the overall findings and recommendations that we would like to make.
तो ये थी कुछ ऐसी बातें जो इस रिसर्च में हमारे सामने निकल कर आई। मैं और मेरी टीम आप सभी लोगों से ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं कि अगर आप किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म का इस्तेमाल करने जा रहे हैं तो पहले आप उसकी सुरक्षा के बारे में पढ़ लें, क्योंकि अगर आप इंटरनेट का सुरक्षित तरीके से इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तभी आप उसका बेहतर तरीके से इस्तेमाल कर पाएंगे। धन्यवाद।